Hopewell Chinono, the activist who loves a good expose, has gone quiet. Eerily quiet. This is the same guy who, just weeks ago, was shouting from the rooftops about NelsoncHamisa and his alleged financial misdeeds. Remember the election fund accusations, the ones Chinono never quite backed up with? You know, actual proof, yeah. Those, gone, vanished into thin air, along with Chinono's willingness to talk about Chamisa at all. Turns out the internet never forgets, and people were quick to point out the hypocrisy. Chinono, the self-proclaimed guardian of truth and transparency, seemed to have a few secrets of his own. This sudden change of heart has left everyone wondering, what changed? Was he silenced? Did he get what he wanted? Or did he realize that the court of public opinion was about to expose his own contradictions? One thing's for sure, this silence is deafening. Turns out, Chinono's past was not exactly squeaky clean. Remember that swanky first home he's so proud of? The one he claimed was bought with a good old-fashioned Zimbabwean mortgage? Well, it seems that memory lane might need a little resurfacing. Chinono admitted that actually it was financed with funds from the UK, not exactly illegal, sure, but definitely clashes with his previous narrative. And then there are the whispers about his connections. Chinono loves to brag about his access to the powerful British Parliament, French Parliament, even the UN. He claims it's his reputation that grants him entry. But what about the allegations of dubious associations? The ones that suggest maybe, just maybe, those connections aren't solely based on his journalistic integrity. Suddenly, the champion of the people starts to look a lot like the elite he claims to fight against. Here's the thing about throwing stones in a glass house. You better be ready for the shards to fly back at you. Chinono built his platform on calling out corruption, demanding accountability from those in power. But when your own life doesn't quite match the righteous image you're selling, people start to notice. The criticism came in waves. Some questioned his motives, accusing him of using Chamisa to boost his own profile. Others saw it as a blatant attempt to discredit the opposition and sow further division in an already fractured political landscape. And you know what? They might be right, because when you preach transparency but live in a world of convenient omissions, you're not a crusader, you're a contradiction. Section 4, a nation divided. Zimbabweans are tired of corruption, tired of economic hardship, and definitely tired of the political games that keep them trapped in this cycle. They're looking for someone to trust, someone to believe in. But when the people who claim to fight for them are caught in a web of their own making, it deepens the sense of disillusionment. Chinono's actions, his accusations, his silences, they all have consequences. They erode trust, not just in him, but in the very idea of change. And that's dangerous, because a nation divided, a nation that's lost faith in its leaders and its future, is a nation ripe for exploitation. The question is, who will benefit from this chaos? Section 5. The price of integrity. This isn't just about Hopewell Chinono and NelsoncHamisa anymore. This is about the price of integrity in a country desperate for it. It's about the responsibility that comes with having a platform, with having people listen to your words and believe in your cause. When you point a finger at someone, at their alleged wrongdoings, you better make damn sure your own hands are clean, because in the end, it's not just your reputation that's on the line, it's the hope of a nation. And right now in Zimbabwe, that hope is fragile. It needs to be protected, nurtured, and most importantly, it needs leaders who are worthy of it.